of course, we feel the happiness, but always money cannot buy the happiness for ourselves. Good morning, sir. How are
Good
you?
morning. I'm very well. Thank you for asking. How are you?
I'm also fine, sir.
Very good. So we are meeting for the first time today, right?
Yes, sir.
So could you please introduce yourself briefly?
Okay, sir. Well, my name is Sudhir Patil. I am from Jalgaon, Maharashtra, and I am working in a private sector as a computer teacher. I teach computer, and nowadays I am trying Clapingo for improve my English communication. That's all about
Wonderful.
me.
So it's wonderful to meet you, sir. And hope your teaching assignments are going well. So I wish you all the
Okay,
very best. So now
thank
tell
you.
me, most welcome. So tell me, if today while talking, if you make any mistake, when do you want me to correct you? On the spot or towards the end?
On the spot.
On the spot, I'll correct you. Okay. So
Yeah.
did you go through the session notes?
I had a glance, but instead of session note, I want to go with means grammar. If I
Gra-
want to speak on any topic or I want to converse with any person, so in that case, sometimes I stuck in the word. I face the problems on
Correct.
daily day-to-day life conversation. So I want to talk on those topic.
So on general conversation, so you want to have a general
Yeah,
conversation.
yeah, yeah,
You don't want to speak on the topic. Correct. So I want to have a
yeah,
general conversation. So we'll do what we'll do. We'll talk about a general conversation about general topics. Okay. And
yes,
you
yes,
free to express your thoughts. Okay, on those topics.
yes,
And
yes,
if you make any grammatical mistake or any mistake in vocabulary, I'll tell you. Okay. So
yes,
don't worry.
yes.
Okay, on the spot. So now tell me, like, what is the source of your happiness? What gives you happiness in life? What makes you happy?
If I want to do something and suppose it happens good with me, and so in that case, I think it gives me happiness.
Okay,
Means some work I want to do and it happened within a time and it succeeded. So it gives me happiness. And also, if nowadays I am improving my communication, and sometimes I made mistakes, sometimes I go with correct. So when improvement and happen in my communication, it gives me happiness.
correct. So, I'll tell you for grammar. Okay, you need to understand the concept. Okay, so you made a
Okay.
mistake and you have to focus on the concept. So once you understand the concept, it's very easy for you to apply. Okay, now I'll tell you the concept, the mistake that you made. You said now the concept is whenever you make any general statement, okay, any general statement like this that we are saying, okay, always use the simple present tense, okay, not the past tense.
Okay.
All right. So, for example, you said whenever I want to achieve something and if I succeeded, okay, the succeeded is past tense.
Yes.
So it will be whenever I succeed, not succeeded. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So it gives me happiness. Okay, whenever I set a goal and I achieve the goal, or I am successful in achieving that goal, or I succeed in achieving that goal, it gives me happiness. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so
Okay.
everything will be in the when you're making a general statement about yourself, always use the simple present tense, not the past tense. Okay, that is there.
Okay.
So now tell me, like, that is true. So do you think money can buy happiness?
It depends on the person to person.
Mhm.
If
Okay.
I focus on the money, so of course money can buy the happiness for me. But personally, in my opinion, it doesn't work because
Yes.
our happiness depends on our own thinking, our own thoughts. If we think good, if we see in the good in the world, so of course we feel the happiness. But always money cannot buy the happiness for ourselves.
Yes. See how you said it in the right way. money cannot buy. You're making a general statement, you're saying in the simple present tense. Okay. You are
yeah,
not saying money could not buy us happiness, right? You're saying money cannot buy us happiness because it's a general statement. That is correct. Okay. So one small correction, you said it depend on person to person. So it will be, first of all, it will be it depends. It is singular, so it depends, not depend. Okay.
yes,
But here
okay,
the right word would be it differs from person, differs. It
yeah,
differs.
differ,
Yeah, it differs from person to person. Okay, that is there.
okay,
That is there. Now tell me, like, how important is good health for our happiness?
good health for,
For our happiness, good health for our happiness. How is happiness and good health related?
yeah, related, yeah. Yes, it is a related. If we have a good health, so we feel the good happiness. And suppose we have some disease or some feeling conditions in our body. So in that case, we feel unhappiness, and we always think about the disease and always what will go in future. So I think health is definitely related to our happiness. It works if we
Yes,
our health is not good, so it affects on our effect on our happiness.
yes. It has an effect on our happiness,
Yeah,
or it affects our happiness.
yes, okay, thank
Okay, most welcome. So that is there. Now tell me, like, what is the definition of success according to you?
you. Success, it depends on goals. If
Okay.
I set goals in my life more than one, so
Mhm.
I will divide those goals in a percentage. Suppose I set 10 goals in my life, and uh, it two or three goals completed, so I will not saying that I am a success person. Okay, and but it depends on person to person. Suppose someone says suppose one person says that if he get the money, then he will success. Okay,
Uh-huh.
suppose one person says suppose he get the job, in that case he will uh, be success. So it depends, it depend on it depends on person to person. Okay,
Exactly.
yeah, yeah, but in my case I will definitely divide into my goals, how many goals I set in my life and how many goals I achieve till to date. So I will calculate on my success on those goals percentage
Yes,
wise.
absolutely. Very good. So one small thing over here, uh, use the word successful over here. So you said
Yeah.
if I achieve the goal, I am success. Okay. So I am successful. Okay, or I would be successful. Correct.
Would be success. Yes.
Then you said, if he get the job, right?
Haha.
So if he gets the job, he is singular. If he gets the
Yeah,
job,
yeah.
right?
Yes, the job.
If he gets the job, he would be successful. Successful.
Hmm,
Okay, he would be
hmm,
successful. So some
hmm,
people, if he now again he said he would be success. You said okay. You said he would be success. So no, he would be successful. Be
hmm.
successful. Whenever you use
This-
be, it becomes successful. Be successful. Okay.
Okay.
Another one is
Oh.
I am successful. I don't say I am success. Okay. I am
Mhm.
successful. He is successful. He would be successful. Okay.
Okay.
That is it. So now tell me, like, do you think for success both hard work and happiness are important? Hard work
Success.
and good luck are important. Both good luck and hard work are important for success.
Some I think hard work is important, but good luck. If
Okay.
I have a good luck with me, so definitely success will come towards me. But without hard working, it is not possible. Hard work is necessary. Whatever you want to do in your life, it gives you success more than your good luck. Maybe if you have good luck, then you will get the success in your life. But if you are a hard working person, so I think you will got all the success in your life without having a good luck.
Yes, absolutely correct. So without hard working, you said without hard work, not without hard working.
Yeah,
Without
yeah,
hard work, it is not possible to be successful. Okay,
yes, sir.
that is there. So now tell me, like, how. So these days, many people are suffering from mental health issues. Even students,
Mhm.
and even people from all ages who are suffering from mental health issues. So what are your thoughts on that, and what is the solution for that?
Like, I only suggest to them, don't do overthinking whatever problems in your life, because each and every person has a problem in his life. So whenever you get a chance, go through with your happiness. What gives you happiness? Suppose sometimes if I feel nervous, so in that case I see some comedy movies and I see what I like. I listen music and I recover. Okay, I recover my nervousness and I feel good. So I do not think more what happened with me, and I try to forget all those things, and I think to new things what I will do better in my future. So I will
Okay,
suggest to them, don't think badly or nervous about those things. See the good in future and try to see those things which gives them happiness.
absolutely. So one small correction, you said I listen music, right?
Yeah,
It will be I listen to music.
yeah. Listen to me.
You always listen to something, listen to music. Then you said I try to forgot. You said okay. I
I
try
forget.
to forget. Okay, forget.
Okay.
Okay. So
Yeah.
after two, it will always be in the uh, first form.
Yeah. First
Okay,
form
so
of the verb.
first form after two. So I try to
Mm.
forget. That is there. So tell me something about an incident from the past which brings a smile to your face every time you think about it.
Smiles gives on my face.
Yes. Any incident, any memory which brings a smile to your face.
Lots of memories have with me, but one memory when I was in fifth standard. Uh,
Okay.
my school was afternoon shift, means 11 to 5, and in the afternoon it was a short recess for afternoon lunch. So in that, I came to home, and that time we had a bulls and cows. So we have a uh, have a four brothers. Okay,
Okay.
and
We are what,
we
brother?
we have I have a four to
Okay.
five brothers.
Okay.
And we our parents said, work for ourselves to go in the middle and
Okay.
clear all shade, cow shade and bull shade in the afternoon. Okay,
Okay.
and that day I came to home, and I have a problem, so I want to go in the shade, but instead of shade, I pick the things and I went to school way.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
okay, I'm not expressing it correctly because there is some issue, because those time nowadays we have toilets in our house. Those days toilets were not in houses. Those days we go outside of the village. So
Okay.
I yeah, instead of go outside, I go to school in the school side, and that time shirting is the most important. And when I came to him, I remove my shirting, and in the half the way I see there is no my shirting, and I put the things down and I start shirting. And after that, I try to pick my bags, but that time no were bags. We only pick the books with polythene bags. So when I try to pick the polythene my books, so there was no books. There was a tumbler.
Oh.
So I I got it. What's happened? Where I want to go? In the school or in the outside? And all those my brothers and all my friends, they were seeing me and they were laughing at me. What I am doing?
Oh,
So I picked the tumbler and I fast go outside of the village. So it was happened with me. It is a one
oh,
incident.
yeah, that was hilarious. That was hilarious. So, so what I understand is that you have a weakness in the past tense. Okay,
Okay.
your present tense is stronger than your past tense. Okay, so
Okay.
so you need to work on a past tense. I'll tell you an example. You said first, you said, I came to home. It will be not to home. I came home.
Came home.
Okay,
Hmm.
not to home. Okay, then the pronunciation of parents. You said
Parents.
parents, not parents. It is parents. Parents.
Parents. Hmm.
Yes, that is the pronunciation of parents. And it said, I want to go to that. I wanted to.
I wanted to.
Okay,
Hmm.
so past tense. Okay. Then you said, I take the shed. You said, I take is present tense. I took. Take
Hmm.
will become took. Okay.
Yeah.
Then you said, we go outside the villages. Okay. Now, when you're talking about the past, something that you used to do repeatedly for a continuous period of time, use the word used to. We used to
Used.
go.
Yeah. Used
Okay.
to. Correct. Correct.
Yeah. So we used to go. Okay. There. So these are the mistakes that you. So we go outside means present tense. We go outside. It is present
Hmm.
tense. So it will be used to go outside. So we need to
Used
work on
to.
your
Yeah.
past tense exactly.
Okay.
And
Yeah.
it was very funny. It was very funny. You said right, funny. It was a very funny incident. So what better word can you use for funny? It was a better word for funny. Hilarious.
Mm,
It was hilarious.
hilarious.
Hilarious. Hilarious.
Okay.
Hilarious means very funny. Okay, it's a better word.
Hilarious. Okay.
It was
Yeah.
hilarious means very funny.
Fine.
Okay, absolutely. So and so tell me about your so this is the feedback. So now we have come to the end of our time. So as I said, you understood the concept, right? Right?
Hmm.
Any general statement, present tense. Okay. Any specific incident in the past tense, not in the present tense. So what you're doing in the past, you're using present tense. So that you need to work on. Otherwise, you
Okay.
can express your thoughts clearly. There is a sense of clarity. There is no doubt about it. You just need to work on your grammar a bit, and that will come with practice. So don't worry. Okay.
Thank you. Thank you.
So, so, sir, it was lovely talking to you, sir, and I would love to talk to you again, and I would help you to achieve your goals, and that will give me a lot of satisfaction. Don't worry. Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Most welcome. Have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye.
Same to you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.